So guys, we're going to just jump straight into it today. We are reviewing the H&B Holly Boon's foundation. She has brought out a foundation and we are reviewing it today. So it's the Luminous Soft Focused Airbrush Foundation. I'm going to give you a full dedicated review regarding this foundation. She has come out with this brand new foundation. So it's the Luminous Soft Focus Airbrush Foundation, full coverage, a luminous finish and perfect for all skin types. It's available in 25 shades, guys. The foundation leaves your skin looking completely flawless. The luminosity of the finish reflects off the light and leaves the skin looking healthy and radiant. Covers blemishes and pigmentation, which it definitely does. It says to pair it with the soft airbrush concealer and the soft focus loose powder. I didn't get those. I just picked up the foundation. It's a twisty lid, which is amazing. So you're not going to lose the cap because it's a twisty lid. Perfect for travel. But how gorgeous is this packaging? I just love the whole twisty top. So I was so happy when I found out she was coming out with a foundation. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to pick it straight up as soon as it comes out and review it for you guys. So my favourite part is that it's got a twisty lid. Matching yourself on her website I found really easy, because not only does she have swatches and the names of the shades, she also has pictures so you can compare your skin tone to other people. Click it into place. So I'm just going to put a few little splodges there, and I'm going to go in with my Chloe Coco Cosmetics Marshmallow Sponge. I am absolutely living for this sponge, guys. I love it. I only used it for the first time the other day. I'm obsessed. The coverage is gorgeous. I didn't think it was going to be the right shade because I thought it was a little bit yellow toned, but when I'm blending it out, it seems to be blending out really nicely. I fell in the shower the other day, guys, and I've hurt my back so bad. So I'm kind of having a resting day today. Got a hot water bottle on it at the moment. Just few little splodges. Oh yeah, you can build that up. It's not like sinking into any of my dry spots or anything. Even putting it like under my eyes, sometimes I find that some foundations can just leak into my little smile lines and stuff. Looking really nice and smooth. The colour match is perfect, and obviously I will be checking in throughout the day. Currently at 9:46 in the morning, so I would really like little check-ins throughout the day. But so far I'm really loving this foundation, guys. I mean, it looks really nice on the skin. It's not like synced into my nose or under eyes at all. It looks flawless and I absolutely love it. It doesn't feel like I've got a ton of makeup on my face either, which I absolutely hate, the feeling of having like so much product on my face. Blended that all in, so this is how we're looking just with the foundation on. I'm just going to quickly put the rest of my makeup on and then I'll be back to show you what it's like with all my other products on top. So guys, I've just put on the rest of my makeup and everything seems to be sitting okay on top of the foundation. Nothing seems to be disturbing one another, so that's a good start. So what I'll do, guys, is I'm going to go about my business. I need to clean all my brushes. I've bought some ISO Clean. I saw this on TikTok and I picked it up. So I'm going to clean all my brushes today. Definitely they need doing. And then I'm going to pop in and out during the day to show you how this is wearing. So I'm going to do a wear test today. I haven't done a foundation wear test in absolutely ages. So like I say, I've hurt my back so bad that I'm just going to be chilling at home and doing a few little odd jobs. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, I just thought we would review Holly Boon's foundation. So this is what it's looking like at the moment. This is literally just after applying and it looks smooth and gorgeous. I thought I'd show you guys in natural light as well. So this is where I'm in the kitchen, so it's natural light from the window. This foundation is absolutely gorgeous. I don't think I've worn a foundation for a while that I've actually loved. For the moment being, this foundation looks flawless, guys. Oh, Holly Boon, I love you, girl, because this looks absolutely beautiful. I'll bring you right close up. We're getting up close and personal now, guys. Like, around my nose, it looks fine. Around my eyes, it looks fine. You know, I'm a creasy girl. I crease around the eyes. This is looking really good. So I will check in with you guys in probably another couple of hours, just let you know how it's looking in the next couple of hours. But for the time being, guys, I think I found my new foundation that I really, really like. I just thought I'd do another check-in. So this is how the foundation's looking up to now. Starting to look a little bit oily. That's unusual for me. But other than that, the foundation does look pretty bloody good. So it's still not gone into any of my fine lines. It's not really creased. My eyes will crease anyway, but it's not creased dramatically. But yeah, I'm thinking the foundation looks pretty darn good so far. I'll give you a right close up, and more up close and personal again, but it's looking pretty good, guys. So I will check in with you guys in another couple of hours, but I just thought I'd give you a quick check-in. I've cleaned all my brushes as well, guys. I'm so proud of myself. This is what we're looking like so far. Very nice. I'm going to do the last check-in for the foundation, guys. I absolutely love it. It's not gone creasy or anything in my smile lines. So yeah, so this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment. And if you want me to review any more different makeup, foundations, anything, just let me know and I will do it. So I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.